our curved glass bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a total of 45.5 inches. We have an overall height of at least 53.25 inches tall. Minus the wheels, we have at least 52.5 inches. Overall depth of 29.25 inches. Measurements for the wheels, the top of the base, we have at least 17.75 inches. Measurement from the length of the bottom base, we have an overall length of 47.25 inches. Coming to the back, will be dual slide doors and 3 shelves. Each tier can be removed and adjusted to the desired height level of your preference. So each shelf are held by 2 brackets that can be removed and adjusted into the frame of the height and level of your preference. The measurement for each shelf, starting from the bottom to the lowest, will be smallest to the largest. The length for each shelf will remain the same, and from bracket to bracket, we have at least 39.5 inches. Again, the length will apply for the first, second, and bottom shelf. That's from bracket to bracket. The depth from the third shelf, we have at least 16.5 inches. For the second tier, we have at least 13.75 inches. And for the top, the first tier, we have at least 11 inches. So again, from top to bottom, narrow to largest. Those are the measurements for each shelf. So a LED strip is on the top and for each of the bottom shelves for this bakery case. Coming to the bottom here, we have our temperature control along with the on and off switch and the temperature gauge to adjust the desired temperature inside this refrigerated display. Sticker shown here with the ETL and NSF certification and the circuit diagram. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.